Gen AI is not replacing engineer. It is making engineers more productive. Gen AI is not replacing engineer. It is making engineers more productive. Second, up to half of all engineer teams are already using Gen AI tools. Same engineers, more output. The engineer who is giving you the building the production architecture or deploying the production in 1 week now is taking 2 days of time. That is what the more productive and more output means. Third one, by 2027, 80% of engineers will need upskill, not layoff. Upskill, not layoff. This is what Gartner is saying, not me, not a YouTube video. This is what Gartner is saying. Gart, let me read the phrase because I copied it from this particular article. Gen AI is not cost-cutting tool or staff replacement. It is a powerful ally that enhance engineering teams' efficiency. That is what I was telling from day one, right? I mean, this is going to help you to become more productive. Again, this is Gartner is saying, not me, not a YouTube video. With this, let me come to the McKinsey report. McKinsey, one of the most respected management research firm in the world. What they estimate about Gen AI? They said like Gen AI's annual value potential is between 2.6 trillion to 4.4 trillion. 4.4 trillion across 63 use cases. And some of these use cases like software engineering, R&D, customer operation. Now, let me also show you the report. Again, I will share all these links, okay, because it's very difficult for me to go line by line and all these things. But these are the good reports that you can definitely go and look at. I will also share the PDF version of it, okay, along with my slide and the other links. Okay. Now, what McKinsey is saying, the market will grow from 2.6 trillion to 4.4 trillion. Okay. And who delivers this 4.4 trillion value? Cloud infrastructure, Kubernetes cluster, CI/CD pipeline, observability system, security framework, DevOps automation. The value does not appear by itself. It is not magic, something will happen from 2.6 trillion to 4.4 trillion. It requires engineer to build and operate the infrastructure that delivers this output. This is where DevOps comes into. Now, Gen AI is creating job, and we talked about some of these jobs in our previous slide. Okay, so now this is going to be the most interesting part, right? Last 1 year, approximately 150K new jobs emerged specifically in AI related roles globally. And if I talk about US AI engineering job grew by 143% year over year in 2025. And LinkedIn ranked AI engineer as the #1 fastest growing job title in 2026. Look at these roles are, that is something: LLM ops engineer, AI infrastructure engineer, AI agent engineer, 240% posting growth, RAG engineer, AI platform engineer, AI reliability engineer. Every single one of these roles require what? Require cloud knowledge, require Kubernetes knowledge, require automation, pipeline, observability, system thinking. In other words, the foundation is still DevOps. If you are a good DevOps engineer, this could be your next target role. Remember my interview discussion? What could be your next target role? This could be one of your next target role. All right. Now, let me talk about something real. Something that no research, no report can give you. What I am seeing with my own eyes in my own work right now. Okay, I cannot name the organization, but I can tell you exactly what is happening. Earlier, finding a DevOps engineer was a struggle. You have to post a job, wait for a week, candidate will come in. Most of them don't meet the bar, and some of them will accept the offer and they don't join.